$500 per single image. As crazy as that sounds, that's exactly what this video is about, showing you how a single image can earn you hundreds of dollars. And no, we won't be taking any pictures yourselves, which means you don't need to be a professional photographer. You don't need to be a design expert either, and no social media following is required at all for this to work. This is literally doable in 10 minutes or less, as you will soon see, and it's all thanks to this platform here, through which people from all over the globe are making money. This does all of the hard work for you without you having to invest hours of your precious time into this. And you can do this from any device, a laptop, computer, and even your phone. Now, just before we start with this tutorial, guys, as always, make sure you tap the like button down below if you're enjoying my content and want to see more. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications for more Make Money online videos that are to come. And with that, let's now get into it. Okay, so let's get started with this strategy, guys. The website I am on right now that you will need to come over to as well is Adobe Spark. To come on here, you can either type in this URL, adobe.com/express, or you can just type in Adobe Spark over on Google and then open up this page. Either way, this is the website you will want to come to. And what this platform actually is, for those oblivious, is a place where you can create graphics, collages, flyers, videos, and animations that look professional in just a few taps, as you can see right here. So this is the platform that will be doing all of the hard work for us, not the platform that will pay us. I will show you that second platform later on in the video. Anyhow, as I was saying, this will do all of the hard work for you. In other words, on this site, you can get those images done for you in literally 10 minutes and less, and then make hundreds of dollars from them in return. And the best part is that this platform is 100% free. You don't have to invest any money into it, despite the fact that it is so incredibly helpful for us. Furthermore, for those of you who don't own a laptop or computer by a slight chance, don't worry. You can do this on your phone as well, because as you can see, Adobe Spark is available on both the Google Play Store for Android and the Apple Store for iOS. So no matter what device you have or want to work from, it's definitely doable from any of them, just like I promised you in the intro. With all of that said, what you guys will want to do once you come onto this platform is sign up. In order to do that, you can click on Start Right Now up here, or you can click on Get Started for Free below. Either way, you will then be taken over to this page here, and you will now have an option to sign up via Google, Facebook, Apple, or with your Adobe ID. Or alternatively, you can sign up via your email. I would recommend you guys go ahead with the former option, since in that fashion, you won't have to enter in any of your data whatsoever. You can just connect your Google account, for example, directly with Adobe Spark. Once you create your new Adobe Spark account, this is how everything will look. On this page, you can find thousands of templates that you can use to create professional images in 10 minutes, as was said prior. As you can see here, you can design photos for flyers, Instagram stories, Instagram posts, and so much more. Let's say, for the sake of this tutorial, that I want to design an Instagram post. When I select it, I will be taken to the editor. It's here where I can choose what templates I want to use and customize it and make it my own in minutes, which, as you can see, I've already done, so I don't prolong this video too much. What's worth noting about the editor, guys, is that you can edit anything and everything. You can change the size, font, and color of the text. You can move the text around if you so wish. You can, of course, change the template if you want to, but more importantly, you can change the colors of the template as well. As if that wasn't enough, as you can see on the left-hand side here, you can also use your own downloaded photos as templates and then edit them using Adobe Spark. There is so much you can do with this tool, guys, that makes the fact that it's free that more amazing. With that said, I won't go too much into depth with the editor because that would prolong this video too much, and because Adobe Spark has tutorials to offer that you can watch so you know exactly how this tool works. In any case, when you are done editing your photo, you will now need to download it to your computer. To do so, just click on Download in the upper right corner here, and that's it. You now have a professionally looking photo that took you no more than 10 minutes to design. Such photos can make you literally thousands of dollars. And do keep in mind that what kind of photo you design will depend directly on what your customer is asking of you. And the site where you can find those customers we will get to right now. Here's the platform in question. It's called designcrowd.com. And before I even show you what you want to do on this platform, let me right away show you how much money people are making from graphic design alone in this case. As you can see, these people, who are from countries located all over the world by the way, have made thousands upon thousands of dollars. This person from Serbia has made $36,000. This person from India has made $28,000. This person from the UK has made $25,000. This person from Romania has made nearly $20,000, and so on and so forth. As you can see, guys, creating those graphic designs is extremely worthwhile, and a single one can earn you hundreds of dollars, just like I promised you in that intro way back in the beginning. Arguably, the best part, however, is that you don't have to invest hours of your time in order to get paid. All of these people you have seen have invested hours and hours of hard work so they can get to where they are right now. But thanks to Adobe Spark, you do not have to do that. You can literally finish a design in minutes and then send it over to your customer on Design Crowd and then enjoy your profits. As easy as that. Moreover, graphic design is far from the only thing that can make you money on Design Crowd. As you can see, you can get paid for business card design and flyer design, for example. And if I go back to Adobe Spark, you will be able to see that both are indeed available for us to find. Apart from those two, however, we also have stationery design, web design, WordPress design, landing page design, the aforementioned graphic design, infographic design, banner ad design, and so much more. And you can design any one of these through the use of Adobe Spark and get paid big time. Speaking of, take a look at how much money people are willing to pay for graphic design. All of these people are offering to pay from $100 all the way up to $500 per single job. And on this next page, you can see that the same applies for flyer design as well. A single design can earn you around $200 most of the time, which, when you think about it, is a lot. 10 jobs is $2,000 made just like that. 100 jobs is $20,000 made, and so on. There is a lot of money to be made with Design Crowd, guys, as simple as that. To start making money with this platform, just sign up by clicking on Register up here and then proceed to enter in all of your data to create your brand new account. And that's it. For those of you who want to make even more money, then be sure to check out one of the two videos visible on the screen right now. And with that said, this is it for today's video. If you liked it, then be sure to leave a thumbs up below. I really appreciate it. And so you don't miss out on future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.